Alright, so next topic I want to cover is WebView. So WebView is something that you show your website in the app. So the users, to users it looks like the app, but behind the scene you are just showing the web page. Okay, so that is one quick and dirty way of quickly building apps. Even though you are basically rendering the web view, it can look like an app. So that's one quick and easy way of doing things. However, the problem with that is most of the time the user experience, it will be quite slow, so it will definitely does not feel like using the actual the app. Sometimes you may have even experienced yourself when you using some apps. Some apps are really laggy, and then they don't really scroll well. Touch is not good, performance is very poor, so that they might be using WebView. However, it's not always bad. Sometimes you need to open up a view for a particular site. Depending on the situation, it can be an excellent solution as well. Okay, it's not all negative, it's awesome. So let's give it a try, and then we're going to move on to building the actual application, and then during that process you will be learning pretty much everything you want to know. Okay, so before we go ahead with that, let's quickly try this WebView. For that, we're going to use the npm package called WebView. Okay, so you can search React Native Webview npm, and you can see it's quite a popular package, so we can install that, copy that command, come here, stop the server using control X, paste that here to install that package. And you can see how to use that. You can import WebView from React Native Webview, and you just return this component, give it a source of the URL. Simple as that. Okay, so we can try that. Let's make sure we run the server, npm start, and I'm running on the iOS simulator, so I will press I. Okay, so come here, and we can continue using on this app. Import WebView from React Native Webview, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to comment this out, the whole view for now, and I'm just going to use the WebView. So as you saw in the documentation, what you have to do is you have to give the source and URI and the actual website name. So let me try https://codecontinue.com. so let's try that. Okay, so it's running. So let me reload. Okay, so while it's happening, you can see the splash screen logo. That's good, but you can always apply some CSS as well here. If you need style, you can write your style here, but for now I think it is working pretty good. Alright, so that's WebView.